Hey, what's up guys? Another episode of the Integra build, and unfortunately the Integra is messed up already. I think something broke underneath or just came loose. Our last episode we had the Integra up in the air on quick jacks and we put on coilovers, control arms, all the works of suspension. But since then, the car doesn't go straight. The entire steering wheel is sideways when I'm driving straight down the road. So my guess is something came loose or one of the axles is messed up. So I'm gonna ask my friends here at Evolve Tuning for some guidance. The car certainly does look a lot better here in the wild after it got aligned, but unfortunately, I don't care what it looks like as long as it works right now. It's not doing anything to make it really upset, so this is where I'm kind of clueless. Everything looks fine, so I'm not really sure. So a similar situation has happened before with my Thomas, I swear. A similar situation has happened with my Blue 240 where one of the bolts in the back came loose and the entire wheel tucked in like this. So not positive or negative, but like sideways. So when I was driving down the road, the entire steering wheel was sideways. I'm like, this can't be right. So I was just making sure that wasn't the case this time around with this car, especially because it's front wheel drive. You won't be able to notice that as much. So hopefully we can figure this out. Kyle.
What's up?
Alan has given me permission to move the fire chicken to put my car on a lift briefly. Is that okay?
Yes, that is okay.
Fire chicken.
Fire chicken.
Yeah. Fire bird, fire chicken. It's as bad. It's as close to American Badass as you can without spinning the unicorn.
James's Supra finally made it on the dyno after millions of headaches. He literally has called this car the headache. It's the fire chicken. It's a new species discovered in Latin. Fired chickenitis.
Oh, Jesus. I already feel it.
Okay, so go straight, okay? See what happens? Hold on.
What the hell?
Now go back and forth. See how it feels?
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, you can't do it.
This is too much. This is too much for me, David. What happened?
I don't know. I just made it better and then it made it worse.
You made it better? How'd you make it better?
It's lowered and all that good stuff now. One thing I have not noticed is this crack right here. That's new. Or is it? I'm gonna have to go back to the old footage and see, but I don't remember that being there. Sweet. If you guys didn't watch the last episode, we did a 2.5-inch drop on this Integra from bone stock. It was absolutely ridiculous. So at least it looks better, but yeah, I definitely think I hit something today because I have that crack in the front bumper now. Do your front end, David. I knew it was coming. I'm looking. I'm trying to see if any of these came loose at all. I mean, we put them down pretty good. So, the axle during the install at one point popped out on us. And we got it back into the splines, but it was not easy. It's very hard. So I'm wondering if that's it.
Right there. Hey Kyle, this is cool. I like this part. What?
Open diff?
Yes.
Yeah.
The four Allen bolts that are adjustable,
Yeah.
they're not even. Which generally every time I've done an alignment, if that wasn't even, then that meant that something else was off somewhere.
Okay.
Because you should theoretically be able to set them both the same way and have almost within 0.1 to 0.2 of a degree of camber.
Right.
Is an okay variance, but anything more than that generally means that something's on wrong or something is bent. Found it.
Ask them to
Oh,
contact
what is it, Charles?
Look.
and get one.
Oh no!
Whoa! Alright. David.
I know more about Hondas than I thought.
Wow, that explains everything.
Camber adjustment.
Yeah.
Yes. pull on it. If you want
Wow. So that explains why when I hit a bump, it would go back to normal and then be like, I don't feel like it anymore.
Exactly.
They adjust that when you got in alignment?
Yeah. But I guess not. Tightened everything down like as much as we could, like not over torquing, like we looked up the specs and everything.
Right.
And so I was like, there's no way it's like the actual suspension parts. Like I was like, that's really odd. But yeah, apparently it was the camper kit.
Yep, right here.
All right, so.
There you go. Well, you only got 2 bolts in it.
So in essence, this side, totally fine. Has 6 bolts in it. This side has 2! Yeah, because on the way here, I heard a thud, but I assumed I hit a rock. But that was no rock.
That was bolts flying out.
Yeah, but essentially right here, there's supposed to be 6. Now there's only 2. Wow. So here is our problem. These little Allen guys were coming loose. Whoever aligned the car screwed it up. And they didn't tighten these back down because I tightened these down when we did the install. So I'm really confused on how that happened, but I'm glad that I'm safe and made it to the shop without something seriously going wrong. That was very dangerous. We're safe now. So Alan recommended that, hold on, bolt bag. Alan recommended that they had this exhaust laying around. And I was like, it can't be raspy, it can't sound like crap. And I trust their judgment here. So I'm gonna go check this exhaust out. Wow, I love your dreadlock pile.
Thanks, bro. It's the graveyard of harnesses.
Yeah, oh yeah, so this is the evolved graveyard of all the, the T28s and twin turbos from 2Js. There she is. Oh my God, that's a big muffler. Here, I'll grab that. Oh dear. Okay. No, that's not too bad. You get to keep your cat and everything else.
It's the Greddy Evo 2.
Classic.
Yeah. It came off an EM1, so.
Oh. Practically the same car underneath.
Same shit, you know? Same shit, bro.
I don't know, man. That pea shooter is just looking good. I saw you grinning.
Dude, look at all.
Will it just go right on?
I think so.
Oh, dude, what are we doing? This is what happens when you come to the shop. You get to hang out with everybody, and they're like, oh, yeah, by the way, we have really cool stuff in the back. And then I end up getting it.
Is there a map sensor vacuum?
Oh my God. Was the battery bad? Yeah. Oh wow, I didn't realize there was more. Yeah. So we're gonna see if an EM1 Greddy exhaust will fit on the DC2, but a lot of people on forums and places like that are saying it might be a little too long. So we're just gonna test fit it for right now, and then hopefully it'll work. I am gonna try and keep the factory catalytic converter because it'll decrease the raspiness of the exhaust. Plus, easier to pass emissions if I need to test it next year.
Ricer.
Ricer, bro.
Ricer. This is the first step to being a ricer.
Actually, I'd say buying an APC exhaust from AutoZone is the first step, and it's just the muffler.
Yeah.
So it's technically
just
a fart can.
with a 4-inch tip.
Still though, I can't get over how big this muffler is and this one.
Yeah.
I was worried we were gonna have to take that control arm off.
I know, right?
Totally different subject, but a lot of people don't know the day I brought home Smurf, the Mustang, I pulled it into the driveway and directly onto ramps and put a different exhaust on. So I remember I was struggling with the hangers. That's always the biggest pain in the butt with exhaust.
Spray him with a little love lotion. She slips on out.
Oh, yeah, just like that. Yeah, I think we're good. We don't have to take the control arm off, which is a relief. Oh yeah. Okay. I see you.
Pull it.
Perfecto.
I'm gonna get home and Alejandra is gonna be like, what the hell? What does that sound? As if we needed another loud car in our driveway. I'm not gonna use a little test bite because loudness and raspiness.
But David, It's where all your performance is, David.
We're not going for power on this one yet. Okay, yeah, it's not that much bigger in diameter. At least until we get to here. This is wild. Like, that is just gargantuan. That is not, but it's still pretty ridiculous. Wait, hold on. Wait.
Oh, wait. We need Gusky.
We need, oh, we
Here,
do need.
hold this back here.
I got it.
This one's right there.
Okay.
Let's see. Burnout. Like, do a burnout.
Yeah,
Like a burnout.
a pronounce.
Yeah. Burnout. No.
It sounds like some species of bear.
Well,
Oh, my panties are showing. I need to wear belts more.
Turn. Alright, hold that one.
Wow, that literally is almost a perfect fit, at least on this part of the car. Don't know about the other part. Doctor, what's the verdict?
I probably need to take about 2 inches off of this.
Test fit?
Dude.
Thing's a bazooka.
Right?
Okay, I was like, if that thing's tucking out like that, I take it back. If it didn't go flush with the whole car, you know. That thing is huge. Oh my god. Yeah. There's a lot of exhaust pipe left. Houston, we got too much equipment on board. Technically, the shape of the exhaust fits the car, but it's just too long. Don't buy an EM1 exhaust for a DC2, because you're gonna have a bad time.
We can make this fit.
Okay, fair. I didn't say we couldn't make it fit, but if you're looking for just a bolt-on like everybody else and go the easy route, don't do this. Do you want to start it?
I mean, it might be a little while.
Line it up.
Line it up as best as possible. Just to at least hear the Greddy.
We're not gonna hear the Greddy. Come on.
Greddy growl.
Oh man.
We can bolt it up.
Just bolt that on.
We can do it.
Lesson 1, don't buy EM1 exhaust for Integra. This is why. We can rebuild him.
Look at that. Look at that. My God, that's damn near perfect. I tell you what.
I can't breathe, dude.
I gotta go get 2 bolts. I'll be right back.
Just bring the ladder everywhere we go. Just have it dragging. Yes, I know I'm stupid, but I'm so excited to hear what this sounds like.
Yeah, perfect. Direct bolt on. You want to start a new trend?
Honestly, if negative 12 camber caught on, I'm pretty sure this could too.
Yeah, dude. You never know.
Going the extra mile, guys. Make sure to torque down your bolt.
Gotta make sure it's nice and tight,
So we don't, breathe in and...
You ready for this?
Oh, I'm ready.
Yeah.
Well, it works. Wow, so guys, don't go watch those other installs. They're really unsafe and they do it wrong. This is the real way.
Yeah, dude.
So, got the Integra back to stock exhaust, and thankfully everything else is sorted out. What broke earlier today is now not a problem, thanks to the man Alan. You killed it again, Alan. How are you so good at your job?
I just make stuff work. We almost had the exhaust to work.
We were almost there. With our progress with our Saint ladder over there.
Yeah, man.
Anyways, I'm gonna go grab an alignment and I'll see you guys next time. Take it easy. Have a great day.